Hello everybody and welcome back to my new tutorials. And in this tutorial we're going to take a look at Kucoin, and this Hong Kong exchange, and this tutorial is meant for you to get started with Kucoin. So what is Kucoin? Well, Kucoin is an exchange based in Hong Kong, and the best thing about Kucoin is that they release new cryptocurrency that are on the market. And this is a cryptocurrency maybe that was released a few days or a few hours ago, and you can find this cryptocurrency at this exchange. And the benefit of it is that you can buy this cryptocurrency very cheap before they get released on the biggest exchanges like Coinbase, Binance, or Bitfinex or Poloniex, and so on. And Kucoin has their own cryptocurrency called Kucoin KCS, which is trading right now at $1967 today in 2018. So what you want to do, you can use my ref link to register to Kucoin. So the first thing you want to do is, of course, to activate the email after registration, and you want to go over to setting and add your Google setup authenticator. And if we go over to markets here, you can see that you can trade BTC, Ethereum, NIL, Tether, and their own token here. And from Bitcoin here, you have a lot of cryptocurrency to trade from, and so on on the Ethereum market here. And they have this recommendation that they recommend you to hold this kind of cryptocurrency for long term. And you have like this, if you buy this cryptocurrency, you can get like promotion, you can get some gift. And that's the best about this cryptocurrency. I mean, many exchanges, I tend to see this from many exchanges like Binance. They promote and they kind of give away like cars or something like that. And right now they have a giveaway of this very nice Porsche. So yes, if we go over to assets, after buying or after registering your account at Kucoin, what you want to do is, of course, load your account. First, I would recommend you to check which cryptocurrency that will cost you less to send over the network. For instance, if you want to send cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, you can hit on use cryptocurrency exchange wallet like Exodus, which will show you how much you have to pay in fee. For here, I can see I will have almost to pay $16.74, almost $17 to send over Bitcoin over the blockchain network to this exchange, Kucoin. And if I check on Ethereum, send and it's like $2.64. If I check on Litecoin, it is 0.18. So we're almost there. What about Bitcoin Cash? Well, 0.01. So I may need to use Bitcoin Cash to trade my cryptocurrency. So that's what you want to do. Use the cheapest, because you don't want to pay a lot of fee to the miners. So that have been becoming the problem with a lot of cryptocurrency out there. So the next thing is go over to deposit here, deposit, and choose that cryptocurrency. Since we're going to use Bitcoin Cash, you can choose Bitcoin Cash and use this address here. You can either do the same at Coinbase if you use Coinbase, and then you can just go over to the to send here, and paste the link and hit send. I don't have any Bitcoin Cash, so maybe I should go and use Ethereum or Litecoin. No, I don't have Litecoin, but you should probably use Ethereum to send those cryptocurrency. So when I have my Bitcoin Cash here, I can go back to the market again and see, like, if I see, I can search for BCC, BCH, Bitcoin Cash, and I can see that I can change them to Bitcoin Cash. And yes, but the first thing that I would recommend you, of course, to do is to check which cryptocurrency you're going to buy. Is it from this list, on Bitcoin list or on Ethereum list. So if you want to like buy this cryptocurrency here, it's trading at 0.36, and in Bitcoin, how much is this trading for? Is the same price. The price there can be a little bit different. That's why I will recommend you to change to the cryptocurrency that is trading less. What about here? They don't have it here, but that's how you have to do it. And I'm going to show you how you will do that for a bit. And the next thing you want to do after putting in some assets, you want to go, of course, to the exchange. If you have a Bitcoin Cash, you have to change those cryptocurrency Bitcoin Cash into Ethereum, or one of these three here, Tether or KSC or Bitcoin. And then you can go over to the market. Let me say that I want to buy this cryptocurrency here. And this is the benefit of this Kucoin exchange, is that the price is pretty much low, because the cryptocurrency might be just the cryptocurrency that have been released on any exchanges. So for instance, I can see this exchange is trading at 0.09 dollar. So what I'll use to do, because it's a new cryptocurrency which was pretty much released on 19th 2017, so I tend to find a little bit information. What you can do is go over to cryptocurrency market and see if you can find the cryptocurrency out there, and from here you can see how much the total supply will be, and circulation, and how much is trading, and see where you can probably buy the same cryptocurrency to the other exchanges very cheap. And the benefit of using the cryptocurrency that will move very fast between exchanges, you have to choose that cryptocurrency. Maybe it can be Bitcoin Cash or Litecoin, but I won't recommend you to use Bitcoin, because it will take you several hours, and in the meantime the price can change very dramatically. So that's what you want to do. And the next thing is to go over to the website and find information about the cryptocurrency. For instance, this cryptocurrency is about creating, like, it's a token for mobile services. It's like a mobile, let's say here, mobile data marketplace. Like, you can read about it, and maybe if you have time you can read the roadmap and the white paper and get to understand. This is just to minimize the risk of losing your cryptocurrencies. If you have chosen the cryptocurrency that you want to buy, either on Ethereum, from here you will be able to choose from Ethereum, Bitcoin, NIL, and USD, Tether, and so on. So you can go over to that same exchange. Let me say if I want to buy this same cryptocurrency here at this market, I will be able to search for it. I can search and choose it. It's the same price on all those cryptocurrency exchanges, and see that the price has been changed. And I can see that the same bolt here, it says that it's 8 hours. So I can change that maybe to 5 minutes. So this one here represents 5 minutes of change. So 5 minutes on each one here. Every day, 5 minutes. Maybe 30 minutes would be good to see. So the price have been changing. And the first here you'll see is your active orders. So if you replace an order to buy cryptocurrency, which I will show you in a bit, it will come up here. And your orders, your orders should also be here, the last orders that you made. And from here you will be able to see the current price, and these are the selling book, the orders that for sell, and these are the order for buy. And here you can see the history that have been made. This chart here shows you the buy, the sell is a lot more. And since this cryptocurrency was only released, let me change this to 8 hours, was released 19th. So maybe they're trying to sell as many cryptocurrency, the token, as possible. and you don't have a lot of buyers, and the price is probably will obviously go up because they have to sell the cryptocurrency. And once we have this cryptocurrency on other exchanges, from here you can say, okay, this cryptocurrency is available at 8 exchanges. So yes, so what you want us to do from here, let's take a look at this. From here you have a sell and buy tab. You can use, after you have exchanged to the cryptocurrency that you're going to use, you will have the max tab here. Then you can add how much cryptocurrency you want to buy and then place an order. You can't buy directly from here. You can just click on any price here and it will be added there, and then you can choose how much amount of the cryptocurrency or the token that you want to buy. So that was I think that was the most important things. And you can also choose to buy when the price goes down. You can hit down here and use this price here projector and see, okay, I want to buy when the price is 0.005674 and add it in here, and then you can choose how much amount you want to buy at that certain time when the price hits that price. So that was it for this tutorial, and I hope you learned something new in this tutorial, and I'm looking forward to get some comments on this video. If you have any questions, just type them into the comment section below, and I'll see if I will be able to answer them as possible. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.